How to add timestamp or rather chapters to your YouTube videos. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can actually add timestamp or chapters to your YouTube video. First step is for you to go ahead and open your studio. So you can do this on your laptop, or as for my case, I'm using my mobile phone to do this, guys. So let's just go ahead and open any video here, guys. So if you open, for example, this video here, and we want to add some chapter to it, or rather timestamps, just go ahead and click on where it says edit. I'll do this method in comment section as well, so you can do it to any video you want on YouTube. So for example, guys, all you have to do is to just go ahead and follow this method, guys. So this represent the minutes, this first 0 represent the minute, and then this other 2 represent the seconds. So if your video is 1 hour long, you just have to add another 0 in front of this, and then just add the semicolon to make it 1 hour long. So just go ahead and add the time you want to test. So for our case, just to save time, guys, I've already written this. So let's just go ahead and add something here, and then let's add the 3 minutes here, guys, and then let's just go ahead and put. So guys, when you add the time, just go ahead and put in the description you want. This will help boost your channel and make it grow faster. So let's just go ahead and say something like, please subscribe if this video is helpful, guys. When you're done doing this, let's just go ahead and click on save. And when you click on save, guys, when we go straight to YouTube to watch this video, guys,
King Agner of Arundel.
So if you're watching this video, guys, on YouTube, as you can see, the timestamp is here. So if I should click here, it's going to take me to 3 minutes straightforward. If I should click here, it's going to take me to 2 minutes. And then even in the video, you're going to be seeing where it says showing the timestamp for you or the chapters for you. So if I should click here, as you can see, I was able to chapter out my videos. So the first second is the intro, and then the tells, and then please subscribe. So this is how you're going to be adding timestamp to your video. So you can do this on your laptop, obviously, but this is how you're going to be doing it. Very simple, guys. So this is how you can actually add chapters and or rather timestamp to your video. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you in the next one.